What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can claim the free trial with Shopify, and I'll also briefly talk about Shopify in case you're not exactly sure what it's all about. But if you're interested in the full review, you'll find it in the description down below. Now, with Shopify, all you need to do is click the link in the description down below, and it'll take you to a screen that either looks like this or a little differently. Either way, you will see a start free trial prompt, and you just have to click that and you'll be able to get your free trial. Of course, you're going to be asked a few questions, so you want to go through this whole thing. So let's just say that you're already selling online. So let's just click next. No, I'm not using any platform. Let's say, you want to use Shopify. What would you like to sell? Let's just go with an online store and in person. Click next. Drop shipping, digital products, and yeah, let's just go with that. As far as the country, we're going to continue here. And then you can go ahead and sign up using Google. And once you complete your login, you should be getting into the dashboard right here, which, as you can tell, looks very familiar to what you would see in a WordPress dashboard, except that it's just, much easier to navigate and much more simplified. Now, this is just a mock-up account, but essentially Shopify is the platform that I use to build and manage several online shops. And because of its versatility and the fact that it was designed specifically for e-commerce, Shopify has become one of the most popular platforms for building and managing online businesses. And that's exactly why Shopify is the platform that I use to build and manage my online business. And it's an extremely useful platform with many features and tools that can help you successfully build and manage e-commerce stores. For me specifically, I find Shopify's inventory management tools to be completely irreplaceable, especially for larger businesses, because it prevents products from overselling and sends automatic updates when stock levels are low. And of course, there are lots of features and automations that come with Shopify, but for more on that, you'll find the full review in the description down below. And again, you'll find the link to the free trial in the description as well if you'd like to give it a try. And I'll also include a discount if you end up buying Shopify. Now, with that being said, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with future videos. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.